While Slapkiss is unique only to Thai lacons and probably the most popular genre, there are many fans who do not enjoy such genres. Today, we present to you such romantic Thai lacons that are free from slapkiss, rape, or even having an aggressive male lead in the drama. Here's a list of 15 slapkiss free romantic Thai lacons which are pretty much safe to watch and enjoy. Number 1. Full House. Eum is a writer who got swindled out of a house during her trip to Korea. She finds out that a house was sold to Mike, and in an attempt to get her possessions back, she enters a contract marriage with Mike for 1 year. Though she lost everything, Eum remains optimistic and takes things in stride. What started out as a business relationship between the two becomes personal as they start to care for each other. This is a rich boy poor girl story as in most of the Asian dramas, but the lead couple prevented it from being boring. The two leads sold this simple story with their cute chemistry and beautiful visuals. They were too adorable and cute, especially with their bickering and cute fights. If you're looking for cute moments and are looking for a drama that can make you laugh, then this drama is for you. Number 2. Padivarada. To show gratitude to her adoptive father, Rin Rapi accepts to disguise herself as his real daughter and marry Saran to keep the promise their fathers had made in the past. Saran is a cold-hearted guy who suffers from his previous love. Although he knows that Rin's adoptive family has deceived him, he does not wish to return his bride since he gets to know her beauty and kindness. Love slowly grows, but soon their love is tested when Duang Swat, his ex-lover, returns to him, while Rin also feels guilty with the secret she is hiding from him. Padivarada aired first in 2016 and became one of the top-watched lacon that year. It's set in the 50s era and has a charming and relaxing vibe overall. Bella and James' chemistry is totally explosive. Their intense relationship from the start to growing love to them being together is very beautiful. Number 3. Khun Mae Swam Roy. Sina disguises herself as her disabled older twin sister Syria and moves back in Sutharak's house with her 2-year-old nephew Kaushwe. She learned that her nephew is the benefactor of her brother-in-law's wealth upon his death. Her brother-in-laws will state that in order for Kaushwe to inherit his wealth, his wife must marry his younger brother Athirat. Sina, under the disguise of her older sister, decides to marry Athirat for the sake of her nephew's future. She has no idea what obstacle lies ahead. Stay tuned to find out what she has to encounter and how Athirat is going to discover her identity. Intriguing mystery, sweet glimpses of romance, and amazing chemistry between the leading roles are some of the reasons you might consider watching this lacon. It is highly entertaining and keeps us guessing almost until the very end. The plot was well paced, with nothing to be overly drawn out. Plus, it has a strong female lead who isn't a damsel in distress for once. Number 4. The Crown Princess. Because her life was put in danger after her coronation, Crown Princess Alice of the country Raisos was secretly sent to Thailand, where Davin, a lieutenant commander of the Thai Navy and Navy SEAL, becomes her bodyguard. Great acting, good chemistry of both the leads. So as always, Yaya's acting also was exceptional here. This actress really can bring each of her characters to life. She carries Princess Alice like the character was all her long. She portrayed a kick-ass crown princess, cold from the outside but very warm inside. Knows when she needs to fight her enemies up front and when she needs to give in. Overall, this is a very good lacon. Watch this if you are a Yarich fan and love action drama romance genre. Number 5. Neung Nai Suang. Poom, a beautiful girl with no parents, meets Neung at a party. Neung is a handsome son of a former renowned diplomat that just came back from studying overseas. Every girl wants to get to know him, but after the first glance, Neung falls in love with Poom straight away. He has forgotten that he knew her before. On the other hand, Poom deeply remembers that Nguyen used to bully her when they were young. So she really doesn't like him. But when they have to dance together at the party, Poom runs away. This makes Nguyen angry and embarrassed. This drama definitely deserves a recommendation for all lovers of good dramas. Excellent writing with interesting, humorous dialogues and situations. The story is greatly written with a plot that we have seen since the origin of drama. Number 6. Khunchai Putipat. Khunchai Putipat is a young doctor with his love without any distinction. His mother was the daughter of a rich Chinese merchant. The handsome doctor must forget all the rules that he had followed his entire life when he met a commoner woman who holds the title of Miss Sri Siam. He uses his own heart and decides to rescue her from becoming a powerful general's concubine. Thus, it was led to a fake marriage where the two will hide their hearts simply because neither understand the feelings. But in the end, this young noble will discover that his commoner girl is more precious than any diamonds and gems in the world. Number 7. My Husband-in-Law. The smart and multi-talented Moe lives with her crush Thien for over 7 years. Although Moe loves him, Thien never seems to love Moe. Instead, he always teases her, messes with her, and sometimes bullies her. Moe never got angry or responded to Thien when she got bullied because she loved him too much. One day, Thien was forced to marry Moe just to get rid of the wife of a powerful man. As Thien never looked at Moe as his life partner, he was not really okay with the marriage. In addition, Thien wanted a perfect woman as his wife, but Moe was never perfect in his eye. Will Thien fall in love with Moe at the end? Will Moe build the perfect partner for him? Number 8. Sanai Rak Nang Sin. Prim is an orphan. She and her two best friends, Boot and Rita, work at one of Paul's shoe stores, and Prim dreams of becoming a shoe designer. After an incident, they get fired from their jobs and decide to go on a vacation to Phuket. There, the girls attend a party while pretending to be rich. At the party, they meet Furi, Wat and Touch. They are all rich and Furi is the heir of Paul's shoe brand. Their relationship started as Furi wanted to show that Prim and her buddies were deceivers. So the guys also lied about who they really are to get closer to the girls and lure them into confessing. But after spending so much time together, Furi and Prim fell in love. Though they confessed that they loved each other, things didn't end up as Prim found out Furi's real identity and that he already has a fiancée. Number 9. Payakon Son Rook. Rosita gets into a car accident and suddenly gets a talent where she sees the future when she touches a rose. She becomes a famous fortune teller. One day, she makes a prediction in public to reporters that Tirut, the famous actor, will make a woman pregnant and have a secret child. That prediction gets Tirut into trouble and their relationship becomes anti-agnostic from that day. Number 10. Thong Ek, the Herbal Master. Thong In is an experienced doctor who has treated many people. He has a grandson named Thong Ek who wants to become a traditional doctor. He also studies ancient Thai medicine. One day, Thong In isolates himself after one of his patients dies and he is blamed for his death. He doesn't want Thong Ek to become a doctor and go through the same. Still, Thong Ek is determined to prove himself to his grandfather. Number 11. Kau Wan Hai No Pen Sai Lub. Swam is a mischievous girl who grew up in the slums. She develops a crush on Danurut, a good cop, the first time she meets him due to his good looks and kindness. Swam is asked to become a spy for the police by an undercover deputy commander named Tuan. Her mission is to spy and gather evidence on an influential criminal named Sia Ha. Swam gets involved with Danurut again when he misunderstands that she's Ek's mistress who is his cousin's fiancée. He hires Swam to be his fake wife to keep her away from Ek. Tuan believes this is the perfect opportunity to spy on Danurut, so Swam accepts his offer. She moves into his house pretending to be his wife because he needs her to follow his orders. while she must spy into him. Number 12. Ne Ruk Nai Krong Phai. On her 7th birthday, Chalita's entire family was killed. Kavin was given the option to slay 3 people in order to protect one. His guilt drove him to distance himself from her. In her youth, Chalita is adopted by a mysterious stranger who is known as Nai Noi, the young boss. He turns her life around and is as means of support. Kavin moves next door to Chalita and their lives become entangled. Feelings blossom and happiness is reintroduced to Chalita's life, but Kavin risks losing her if his secret were to ever be revealed. If Chalita ever recalled the past, he will lose everything. Number 13. Song Hua Jai Ni Pue Tur. The title speaks of Mario's character who is a businessman and has a condition. He loses his memory and becomes someone who is the complete opposite of his former self and only remembers Mint or someone who looks like Mint. And we'll get to see how he plays 2 different personalities while trying to figure out his real self and come to terms with his new revelation. Thus, the 2 spirits love. Number 14. I Wanna Be Superstar. Wan Nuing dreams of becoming a superstar, but her parents object. They want her to study abroad. Vin Pakon is a famous actor who withdrew from the entertainment world after some sensitive clips involving his former manager Van Van were released. Vin lives abroad for 5 years before returning to Thailand and buying Wan Nuing's house. Meanwhile, Wan Nuing is homeless. She lurks around the house that now belongs to Vin. When a journalist follows Vin home, he tells her to stay if she can handle the reporter. She succeeds and slowly Vin transforms from fastidious and irritable to friendly. He even guides Wang Nguyen's acting career so that one day she may become a star. Number 15. The Charming Stepmom. A quirky fashion student becomes the nanny of a handsome widower's 3 kids, experiencing a series of silly antics and schemes. So which of these lakons are your favorite? Please let us know in the comments down below. Also, please be sure to like, share and subscribe.